The research that we do is in regenerative medicine. We're specifically interested in how we can essentially harness immune response in ways that promote repair. So immune cells, particularly monocytes and things like neutrophils, play essential roles in wound healing. But it turns out that there are some special functions of immune cells that we can tap into to help injuries heal even faster and better than they would otherwise. And so what we're trying to do is to create materials that are immunologically smart. What we mean is that every foreign material that gets implanted is going to elicit some type of immune response. Some of those responses can overwhelm the immune system to the degree that your body essentially tries to wall them off. Immunologically smart materials are, instead of eliciting this kind of foreign body reaction, are working in partnership with the immune system in order to get the kinds of cells and the kinds of responses of those cells that help tissues ultimately integrate and help repair the damaged tissues that may be surrounding them. The things we really dream about in our lab are things like limb regeneration. If you were to endure a really traumatic injury, everyone knows ultimately that lots of immune cells are going to rush into that injury and are going to mediate some type of response. It may be that the immune system actually holds the keys to keeping a regenerative program going until you actually get complete restoration of structure and function. Now, that may be a very, very long-term vision, but in the short term, we could think about more acute injuries like a heart attack or a stroke or a broken bone, where we can coax some of those immune cells into keeping those regenerative programs going long enough that your body can actually heal itself without having to resort to more aggressive forms of reconstruction. The thing that I would want people to know about my laboratory is that we love what we do. We don't necessarily have a preset agenda for the directions that we go. We have a theme, but ultimately I want people to be doing the things that they feel passionately about. And there is so much we don't know and so many intriguing questions out there. I don't really fear a student coming in with so wacky an idea that it's going to take us off track. And that's exciting. It makes working here lots of fun, and it makes the environment something that I enjoy working in, because you can sense that people are enjoying doing what they're doing.